I said like this, I said there are telethons and there are praise-a-thons and all kinds of thons, mission-a-thons, but I said this is a receive-a-thon. And so just so you know, since you're the CEO of this organization, we are calling this a receive-a-thon.
Wow.
And because we want people to receive from the mega provision that God has made for us. And of course, our motivation is not primarily even receiving, it's God's love in our heart, but God has promised that you're going to receive, so you can't stop the receiving when you get in flow with God in this area. So I'm so very excited. And Megan, thank you for sharing today. Tina was with me yesterday when we launched this, but I had to invite you to come on one of the first days because you've been with me in so many campaigns. And I think one of the reasons we work so well together is because I know this is personal to you. It's not just a job of going, went with me and filmed so many festivals, and your husband, Nathan, was with me many, but it's personal. Talk a little bit about that.
It is, and you know, like you just mentioned, I am, yes, an employee of World Impact Ministries, but I'm also a partner of World Impact Ministries, and just before the show, I was thinking about, well, why do I actually give to missions? You know, I'm not giving, I don't believe I'm giving to get blessed because I believe that we're already blessed. I'm not giving out of duty because there's no joy in that. I'm not giving on command because there's no joy in that. So I was thinking, well, why do I really give to missions? And you know, I know that missions is so important to the Father. Every single person, He wants every single person to receive His love, to hear about Jesus.